Hi, I'm Na. Today, I will introduce a special usage of massage gun. Suddenly, I have a question for you. If you have a stiff neck, where do you put your massage gun on your body? I'll give you 3 seconds, so please think about it. 3, 2, 1. That it put your neck directly. What the hell? If you do that, you'll never get rid of stiffness from your neck. In fact, the massage gun are useless and you don't know where they are. Like cross, you don't know where anymore. If you leave your neck stiff, you have headaches and nausea. Can enjoy going out with my grandchildren. You spend your day feeling stressed yourself. But it's okay. You practice the content of the video. You will able to remove the stiffness without having to keep putting massage gun on your neck. The massage gun that you use less often, it should shine again like a diamond that has been continuously polished. Even if you have the best violin in the world, if you can't play it well, don't you think you can impress and captivate people? Not long ago, my aunt who was far away, she said, I have a pain in my king and can't sit down. At that time, if I sent her a massage gun, taught her how to use it correctly, her key pain disappeared in about a week. And she was able to lead a daily life without any problem. Of course, not only my aunt. In the comment of this video of the Japanese version I uploaded earlier, this video is very easy to understand and I used a massage gun for the first time, but one set made the area around my neck brighter. Thank you very much. I bought it today, watched this video and try it as a reference and it become much better. I have received a lot of nice comments such if you want to know how to use a completely new massage gun like never before and you will have an amazing experience. If you think so, please watch this video until the end. Let's start. First of all, from the conclusion, there are 4 muscles to loosen this time. 1. Boshiki. 2. Enkainai. 3. Shokyoki. 4. Tenkokyoki. Loosen these 4 muscles. No, wait a minute. Why did you put it on your arm? Did anyone think that? In conclusion, the case of stiff shoulders and neck is often from the arm. That's why there are almost no pain on the shoulders and neck. Now, why is the neck and shoulders stiff? That's because we often put my arms inside in my daily life. Imagine playing with the computer, cooking, or doing manual work. You twist your arm inside, right? However, this posture is the correct position for human body. The fascia from the arm to shoulder is connected in this way. So when you twist your arms inward, your shoulder go inward and neck and shoulders muscles are straight. This is a mechanism of stiff shoulders and neck. Also, if you keep training your chest in the gym, it will make your stiff shoulder worse. Because it's a large muscle in front of shoulder. If it develops too much, it will become a rolled shoulder and cause the neck muscle to strain. You know the real cause of stiff neck. There are 4 muscles to loosen this time. 1. Boshiki. 2. Enkainai. 3. Shokyoki. 4. Tenkokyoki. I can read the English name of these muscles. But don't worry, it doesn't affect the effect. It's only 2 important things for you to learn how to use your massage gun. It's a play and action. If you don't make a mistake between these 2 things, you can relieve muscle tension quickly and efficient. So please watch this video until the end. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's check the current shoulder movement. Before that, please raise your arm from the outside and check the tightness of your shoulders and the difficulty of the movement. Let's do a few times. Remember your condition. This muscle is thumb muscle. It's a part that gets surrounded when you bend your arm. But when you release this muscle, tension stimulates the little finger muscle. Why? If you do that way, you can relieve it in a shorter time. Then put the massage gun toward your thumb. If you do it the wrong way, it will be ineffective. Let's do it together for 30 seconds. This muscle is in the earth. It's such a small muscle. Related to stiffness? Of course, it is related. It's like a stubborn stain in the kitchen. If you don't relieve this muscle tension, your stiffness won't go away. That's an important muscle. The point is here, but I don't think you can easily find this muscle. Therefore, bend your elbow rightly and move your finger like this. Then you should be able to touch stiff muscle in the deep part. This is the point to put on the massage gun. The direction is vertical. Let's do it. Next is this muscle. This muscle is in front of the chest and is an important muscle related to breathing. Therefore, when this muscle stiff, breathing becomes shallow. It makes you tired easily. The point is here. Finding muscle is easy. How to find is 3 steps. 1. Find the circuit. 2. Place under the circuit. And when your fingers stop. So this muscle is located a few fingers below from here. I will put it like this, so that it's open outside. If you do this, please note that you will not able to relieve your muscle tension sufficiently. By moving it up and down like this, you can stimulate entire muscle. Let's do it. This muscle is the most common case of stiffness. Why? Because it's the muscle that supports the arms and shoulder blades. Please look at this photo like a light bubble hanging from the ceiling. My arms are hanging from my body. From this structure, you can understand that this muscle is constantly under stress. By the way, the arm is said to weigh about 1/6 of the body weight. A 6 kilograms person weighs about 10 kilograms. But if you keep carrying 10 kilograms dumbbell during the day, don't you think you can operate your smartphone with your arms by the end of the day? You can understand the importance of this muscle. Let's relieve this muscle. Here, let's use the muscle called Shoenki to relieve this muscle. Why don't you put directly? This method is an efficient way to relieve your muscle. The point to put is here. How to find is 3 steps. 1. 肩甲骨の上の出っ張りを見つける。2. 脇の上に印をつける。3. 2つ目の目印と肩甲骨の内側を結ぶ。I will put the massage on this line. The direction to put is toward this muscle. Don't put it too high or too low. Let's get started. Then finally, you check the movement of the shoulder again. Please raise your arm from the outside and check your shoulder for tension and movement. Isn't it much lighter than it was at the beginning? What did you think? In this channel, we'll explain valuable information about your health in an easy to understand manner. So if you don't miss such a video, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell mark next to it. And if you have any question or concern, please leave a comment. Opinion from everyone. It will be my motivation. See you in the next video. Bye!